The future depends on what we do in the present. The present moment is the only time over which we have domination. The art of life is to live in it and use it as a door to all other moments.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Life in Sag Harbor in the summers will for most people seem like a dream. The Hamptons has a reputation that has gone beyond people's everyday lives, but yet, here we are.
Sent Cody in the water, or he sent himself, but there is little shrimpy.
And crabs.
Oh man, you look horrible.
How are they in my hair?
Don't shake that.
Did I get them
Seriously.
in my hair?
You have it in your beard, like they're everywhere.
Oh, I wouldn't doubt it.
Papa Bear is full of crabs.
I think I ate a couple. It's good. You
It's literally tiny crabs.
Yeah, tiny crabs, shrimp.
How far did you get on the hole?
Oh, I just was mainly just checking everything and clearing out all of our through holes.
Still, I don't think we live our lives like most Hamptoners, as all we're really aiming for is a season that will allow us to continue living our life the way we want to, on our boat. With it comes all the normal responsibilities of owning a place and living together, as random property maintenance, making dinner while waiting on someone to come home, being structured enough to sit down and use the home office, entertain guests, and do everyday chores. Expecting a baby is definitely changing our future though, but the present still needs attention.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding life. The roads that lay open are many.
Oh, that was no fun at all.
That's how you're supposed to open.
Yeah, 924.
Won't go all the way, but yeah, you'll pull it in until that sail gets in front of the those lines right there. That's perfect.
The next day turned into an adventure when a couple of old friends of mine from high school stopped by to see us. We spent the next day sailing around the harbor and catching up on all the lost times, and some of us haven't seen each other in a few years. We even threw in a few sailing lessons, and by the end, we had them sailing us around.
This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rest.
Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Perfect. Now when do I stop turning? Alright, you'll feel the wind pick up the boat. You feel it pick it up there? Yeah. So you'll turn into the wind a little bit more. More.
Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good.
Even though we only had one day to take off, it was still a nice break to get away from the busy charter season. But unfortunately, just like most things, there's always an end. So cheers to the next time, friends. Until we meet again.
Well, something's got to give today. It's a good day.
Safe word pineapple, okay, Cody? Safe word is pineapple.
So, as Hurricane Isaias has been moving north, we've been watching it and monitoring, making sure that we don't have guests on board and that we figured out where to go to seek some shelter. And we were lucky and got to borrow a friend's mooring ball within the break wall here in Sag Harbor. It's pretty protected from the south, which is where the storm is coming from, so that's a good thing. It is really starting to gust now. We're in the 30s and gusting to 40s. They're expecting it to be a little stronger, but anyway, we should be fine.
Oh, where's this day? 1, 2, 3. Yep. 35s. Going back down. It's a constant 30 now, though.
Oh, this is the Hamptons for you. Even when it's blowing 40s and there's a hurricane coming, the sun is out.
I know, now we're getting solar. Might as well put the fridge back on.
Dancing in the Hamptons. This guy's
I was thinking about going
dinghy over here is flipped twice. He have to wait and see what 50 feels like again. Kind of forgot after that last storm.
Nothing ever happened in the past. It happened in the now. So history has no present, and holding on to one is to be swept aside as a past is rushing into the future. Because nothing will ever happen in the future. It will happen in the now. The concept can be weird to grasp, as moment by moment gets you closer to your plans or your worries. Storms happen. You prepare and set your odds straight. But when it all comes down to it, eventually you have to wait it out. Moment by moment. I think that's how I feel about pregnancy. Nothing is certain, but every moment is a constant reminder of what is happening. And turns and events will make you feel like you're facing something bigger than yourself. All the time. It probably isn't bigger than me though. It's probably just what it's meant to be. And the overwhelming feeling is just challenges that I either wasn't prepared for or that I haven't met before. It's just new. And new, I guess, is just different.
You say take me on a treasure hunt.
They say
I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?
So we've bought a heartbeat monitor offline, and we're trying to see if we can get a heartbeat from our new baby, since all the hospitals are kind of weird to go into. So it'll take a second here to find it.
When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so
So today I talked to the authorities in Norway to see if my application for a volunteer membership of the healthcare system would go through sooner than 3 months so I can stay. And they said definitely not. I just ordered my flight today to go back home, which could mean that Cody and I will not be together for the entire pregnancy. Yeah. Good riddance. 10 days. I have to go to Norway. Which will be fine, I just wish he could come with me. Or I wish we could stay. Oh, gosh. Yeah, we haven't even had an ultrasound. He will never be able to see that. So maybe something changes so we can, but you know, chances seem pretty slim.
Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know. Trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there, but tolerate and trust and letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wondering before you make it safely to